IELTS Speaking Part 2. Describe an aspect of modern society that you dislike, what it is, why you dislike it, what is the outcome. Explain all those things. Well, what I dislike most in this digital era is exceedingly use of social media. It's become an integral part in our life, which is quite concerning. People are keen to use that all the time. That's the you know harmful activity we are doing constantly. We are doing. There are various reasons why I'm disliking this exceedingly use of social media. First and foremost, I would say this is the breeding ground for racism, and also is spread all over the hatred. Youngsters are keen to think themselves they become superior the rest of other. They are always trying to use all the time. It means they become addicted. So this is the things I think, and it directly affect their mental health. Other things, so the young people thinks they are building the castle in the air. So that's the reason they don't think themselves is social media. They put them down themselves. It's not only affect their social life, it also affect their personal life. So it's quite concerning, I would say. So there were other reasons too. The outcome of excessive use of social media is quite alarming. The problem lies the addiction. Addiction is turned into the mental health, such as anxiety, depression, FOMO, and so many things, and is directly affect our mental health. So is nowadays is becoming part and parcel in our life, and it is pretty common. Cyberbullying, hatred is now become common. So we should be conscious about that. Finally, I would say excessive use of social media is definitely harmful. Is though it is addictive. So and now it's become a breeding ground for racism. So, and it is pretty common. Fake news, hatred, cyberbullying, so all these illegal activities. So we should be conscientious about that. Then hope so everything should be all right.